Welcome back to Learning with Miss B, boys and girls. Today's experiment of the week is making ooblek. What is ooblek, you ask? I'm glad you asked. Ooblek is a non-Newtonian fluid. What's a non-Newtonian fluid, you ask? I'm glad you asked that. Well, a non-Newtonian fluid, boys and girls, is a substance where when you pour it, it feels like a liquid, like water is a liquid, but when you put force on it, it feels like a solid. You're probably thinking, what on earth does Miss B mean? Well, today you're going to find out firsthand by making some ooblek with me. And it's really very simple. You probably have all the ingredients to make ooblek at your home. After all, you only need 2. I'm going to use 3 ingredients just to be a little creative, but you don't have to. You really just need 2. You need cornstarch, water, and food coloring. These are opposite. Water and food coloring. That's all you need. Oh, but you do need a 4th material, which is a big bowl to mix it all in, and a cup to pour your water in. So actually you need 5 items for this experiment. Let's list them together again. A big bowl, some food coloring, a cup, some water, and some cornstarch. So I've got all my materials together for this week's experiment. Let's get started, shall we? So boys and girls, my first step of this experiment is going to be to take some cornstarch and, let me poke a hole in this. I'm going to pour 1 cup of cornstarch into my bowl, like so. Okay, step 2 is to take 1 cup of water, okay, that's 1 cup of water, don't drink it. Just gonna place it down for a second. And a couple of drops of food coloring. And mix the food coloring in with that water. I'm just going to use this pencil to get a little bit of a blue liquid. And as you can see, even though my cup was green, it was translucent, you could see through it. You'll notice that the water that was clear when I poured it in is now turned blue. And what I'm going to do for step 3 is I'm going to pour my water in. And I'm going to mix it about. Okay, so I'm still mixing. Ooh, it worked. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, take a look at this. Okay, once you're done mixing it all together, you're gonna check out the coolest thing. So your ooblek, if you touch it, if you punch it, it is like a hard solid. This is like a hard rock, as hard as this, okay? But watch, if I try to put my fingers in it slowly, it's soft like a liquid. That is the coolest thing. Look at this. How awesome is that? Oh my goodness. My hand's melting into the ooblek. All right, no. So my ooblek, if I take my hand and I punch it, hear that? I'm punching it. I'm slamming. I'm fisting it. I'm whole fist. My whole punch. Look at that. It's solid, but goodness. So it works. The ooblek works. Now it's time to have fun with it. Let's do this. Boys and girls, it's time for you to get out your ingredients from your homes and your classrooms and try to make the ooblek yourselves. Have lots of fun. Until next time on Learning with Miss B.